Hello, so today we're going to be opening 4 packs of King's Court. And hopefully I can pull a Lightning Storm or something, or some Hardcore God card. This ought to be interesting.
A lot of people have been having some decent luck, or oh no, it's a different.
We got Cloud Castle.
A little closer, this way. Right there's good.
Converging Wishes, Rescue Rabbit, Arcana Extra Joker, Constellar, Anomaly, whatever. The Wicked Dreadroot, and Scrap Twin Dragon. Got like enough of him.
Oh shit.
Let's hope for something good.
Wind Up Arsenal, Infinite Cards, Eternal Void, The Warrior Returning Alive, Majestic Dragon,
Getting the table a little bit.
ZW Ultimate Shield, and Court of Cards.
Put it a little closer so we can see it.
Yeah.
To the left.
Ooh, Queen's now.
Yep.
Queen's Knight, Dowsing Fusion, Zolga the Prophet, Cloud Castle, King's Knight, Majestic Dragon, and Hyper Galaxy, which is good for Galaxy Eyes Dragon.
Come on, baby.
Hopefully we get some last pack magic. I at least want to pull an ultra rare. Infinite Cards, Eternal Bond, The Warrior Returning Alive. I'm actually hitting that. Majestic Dragon, ZW Ultimate Shield, Cloud Castle, and Magnet Induction. I didn't pull anything.
Well, guys.
These were the super rares I pulled. Nothing too fancy.
Yep. Well, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll get them next time.